libGDX is not only a game development framework, it is also a powerful rendering engine which is built on top of OpenGL API. You can develop many classic effects like this 3D Starfield background using only the libGDX drawing API. This also creates an illusion of traveling at hyperspeed into the dark space. So how do we implement this? Let's start with some projection theories. To visualize the motion of each star particles, let's check out this diagram. Each star particle begins from the vanishing point at its starting positions, then moves toward viewer position by decreasing its value in the z-coordinate. To project the star coordinates onto the screen, see the second diagram. We have a point in 3D space with the y and z coordinates and a focal length variable. To find the projected value of y on the screen, we can use similar triangle theorem. We have projected y divided by star y equals to focal length divided by star z. Therefore, projected y can be calculated as star y multiplied by focal length and divided by star z. And we can do the same with the x-coordinate. In addition, the focal length variable can be calculated like this. Now that we have figured out the math behind the effect, coding it in libGDX is really straightforward. First of all, let's create a simple project with GDX liftoff. Also adjust the default window size so we have a bigger screen to render the effect. Now let's create a star class to hold each particle position in the 3D coordinates. The reset method simply assigns the star starting positions with a random range. We will call reset every time a star flies out of the screen to bring it back to the starting position. We also use the constants to customize our effects. You can easily change the parameters including the field view, the star size, speed, colors, and the total number of the stars. Then we can create a list of star instances in the create method and look through the list to initialize each instance. We also need a textures or textures region to draw the stars. And because each star is just a small rectangle, we can use Pixmap to generate a 1 by 1 pixels textures with any color that we want. Now let's render the scene using the equations that we have figured out so far. We have a list of star instances and we have to iterate through the list to update its star positions. For each star, we want to decrease its value in the z coordinates based on the star speed constant. Then we can calculate the projected x and projected y values based on this new z position. When a star is out of the screen's bounds, we call it recess method just like we have mentioned before. Now let's check out the effect. It's working beautifully. Finally, you can play with the constants to create more variations for our Starfield effect. That's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.